Alright guys, here's my paper prototype for my app called Drink Recipes and Cocktails. So to start, what you do is you click on the app. That welcomes you to an opening screen, which goes away. And then for the home page, you're going to see that there's two tabs in the middle to tap on, and that's Favorites and Search. So we're going to go ahead and click on Favorites. And a list of your favorite drinks will show up, and you can scroll up and down, and we're going to go ahead and click on a drink for a recipe. So we're going to click A Day at the Beach. The recipe for A Day at the Beach shows up, and you can scroll up and down here as well, and right here has the ingredients along with the instructions on how to properly mix the drink. And from there we hit back in the top left, and it brings us back to our favorites tab, or our favorites tab, and we hit back one more time in the top left, and we're back here to our home page. Now we're going to go ahead and hit search. Once we tap search, this is our new screen. So over here we can scroll up and down if we want to search for our drink, or we can tap the search tab right there, and a keyboard will show up at the bottom, and that's where you can type in the drink, and you can also scroll up and down right here. So now we're going to go ahead and hit back, top left. From here, when we're back to the main search page, in the top right we're going to hit filter. And a new page that shows up is going to have a little drop down box from filter, and it's going to say ingredients or category. We're going to go ahead and tap on ingredients. That's when this page shows up, and this is a list of the ingredients. And we're going to go ahead and you can scroll up and down, and we're going to tap on Amarula Cream Liqueur. And once you tap on that, that's going to come up with a whole bunch of different drinks that include that specific ingredient that you picked on. So for this, we have 3 different drinks that came up for Amarula Cream Liqueur. So we're going to go ahead and tap on Anejo Kiss. And our recipe for Anejo Kiss comes up, and here we can scroll up and down. We can also, in the top right corner, tap the heart to add the drink to our favorites. And once we're done with all that, we're going to hit back, which brings us back to our list of drinks from Amarula Liqueur. We're going to hit back again. And that brings us back to the original ingredients page. So from here we can click the ingredients tab that's up there in the top right corner for the filter, and this new screen will come up where it allows us to choose a different filter, and we're going to go ahead and click category. This is our new page now, and from here we can choose, we can tap on either one of these categories, and we'll be able to choose a drink that's in that specific category. So we're going to tap martini, and up will come a list of different martinis. So you can scroll up and down, or you can press search in the tab, or you can tap in the search bar, and we're going to go ahead and tap on Acapulco Loco as a martini drink. And our Acapulco Loco drink recipe will show up. We can tap the top right heart over here to add it to favorites. You can also scroll up and down if we need to, and it has the list of ingredients and how to properly mix the drink. So we're going to hit back, And that brings us back to our martini screen. We're going to hit back again, which brings us to our category page, and from there we can just tap on our second navigation, which is on the bottom. It says Home Random Cabinet Settings. If you want to go back home, we just to the original page of favorites and search, we just tap home, but we're going to tap random right now. And when random comes up, there's going to be a little button here that says shake it up, and when you tap shake it up, a drink will be suggested to you, and Acapulco Loco was suggested, so you can tap that Acapulco Loco, and the drink recipe appears. And from here we can tap the top right heart to add it to our favorites, and scroll up and down over here. So we're going to hit back now. And that will bring us back to our random page. So now we're going to go ahead and hit cabinet. And in cabinet, you can tap more than one ingredient, and the way that you'll know that you have successfully tapped it is the check mark will be colored in. So we're going to go ahead and tap absinthe and brandy, and in the top right corner up here it says mix. When we hit mix, that's going to give us different drink selections with those two ingredients only. And once that list shows up, you can scroll up and down. And what we're going to do is we're going to tap Atom Bomb. The drink recipe for Atom Bomb appears, and we can scroll up and down here as well if we need to. Tap the top right to add it to favorites, and what we're going to do now is hit back. That will bring us back to our cabinet drinks list, and from here we'll hit tap settings. And in settings, we'll be able to adjust the font size and the units simply by tapping on this bar. Whichever side is not highlighted, that is the side that you will be selecting for your desire. So right now the font size is highlighted as normal. If we want to tap it and make the font size large, we just tap on the clear side, and then that bar will switch over. And the same thing goes for units. Right now we're in ounces, and then if we want to go to milliliters, all we have to do is just tap the milliliters and it will switch over. And that's it.